properly.
It's really cool and they amazing. They're very, very good. Very, very good. The fire rate's good.
Come on! Alright. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit. Come on. Go over there. I promise. I promise.
I'm doing this.
Alright. I'm gonna shoot your baby picture. Okay, bring it back.
Don't shoot a baby picture. You almost hit me in the head.
Come on, bring it back.
Daddy, that made us a little circle.
Oh. Alright.
I have to go this small.
No, sit up.
Scared of this.
Quit. I'm not going to shoot you. Come on. You're moving and then it's going to mess everything up.
I doubt it.
You hit me in the face. That's my turn to hit.
I'm not hitting you.
No,
Go back over there.
I want to hit you on one of these pictures.
Alright, stand up underneath Riley. What are you doing? I can't. You're moving.
Stop shooting me! Ah! My turn! I only got one chance.
Alright, tell you what. If you could. Here's the deal. When I finish, when you comprehend what I'm saying to you, if you can accomplish it in enough time, you can get a movie tonight. If you can get around that corner before I shoot you, you can get a movie tonight.
With my eyes open?
Yeah, any way you want. Time's already started. Gotcha. No movie.
That's hard. You're too good at
Hey,
painting.
hold on. Hold on. Turn and look at me. Go to Mama.
Let me see.
Your head.
You see the red circle?